Hi, Dean Michael here, the Tax Doctor. I want to talk to you about non-filing and why it's so important to file. If you're a 1099 independent contractor or any type of self-employment where you normally have a lot of deductions, exemptions, write-offs, but you're not taking any taxes out of your check, the IRS will file a return in your stead if you don't file. Generally, 2 to 3 years after they've tried to contact you and asked you to file the return, and you've ignored them. When you've ignored them far enough, they'll go ahead and file for you. They file what's called a substitute filed return or an SFR. When they file those for you, they use the entire amount shown on the 1099, which is obviously not in your best favor. They don't take in any deductions, write-offs, exemptions, and they file you in the highest tax bracket possible, coming up with this big erroneous number that they claim you owe, not to mention the penalties and assessments that they hit you with. So don't wait for that to happen, because after that point, let's just say you don't catch it in time, and these notices are coming in saying you owe tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, even though you don't truly owe that amount, because you haven't filed to show them the error of their ways. They can enforce full collections against you for the entire amount, no matter if it's an erroneous assessment or not. At that time, you legitimately owe them those tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands they've dreamed up that you owe until you prove them wrong. So don't wait until it gets there. I mean, it's much easier just to file on time and pay on time. And if you don't have the ability to pay on time, that's no big deal. A lot of people that I've noticed over the years, at least in my experience, if you're not filing, it's because there's an amount owed to the IRS that you can't pay, and you're scared about it. You don't know what to do. So you're figuring if you don't want to tell them you're going to owe, and they won't know if you don't file, right? Well, it doesn't work that way. They eventually file it on their own and come up with their own assessments they're going to claim you owe. So it's not going to go away. Matter of fact, the longer you go without filing, gives them more and more time to collect the debt. So don't procrastinate anymore. It's not like they're going to forget about you. You can't bury your head in the sand and pretend it's not there anymore. Just step up to the plate, take a swing, see what happens, and believe me, if you give me a call on the 888-557-4020, the number behind me, or fill out the form on this page and ask for a free consultation. That's exactly what we give you, a free, no-obligation consultation. And we'll order the transcript from the IRS. If you've worked many different places, you lost your documents, the 1099s or W-2s, you can't remember where you worked, or maybe you had gambling money somewhere, you don't have the W-2s they gave you at the casino, we will get all of that from the IRS's system so that when we file a return, we're filing it accurately and efficiently, and you don't have to run around trying to, act like a chicken with your head cut off, trying to figure out where you worked and where all the documents are. So don't wait any longer. Don't procrastinate anymore. You have no more excuses. Like I said before, I'm an A+ rated with the BBB. Many 5-star positive reviews across Google, Trustpilot, Better Business Bureau. You can see them on our website. I've been doing a radio show with America's Trucking Network for the last 10 years now. You can listen to podcasts, hear what people are saying about us live on the air. We're for real. I'm not going to tell you something that can't be done. That's why we do a tax investigation first, to get the facts. I want to make sure that what I'm telling you is real and attainable. I know you're going to like what we have for you, so please fill out the form or give me a call. I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening, and remember, I've got the cure for your tax problems. Take care now.